Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. We go to settings, here in this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of made in China and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you